PowerPoint has a cool feature called Cameo, which lets you appear live inside your presentation. So all you have to do is go up to the Insert tab, go to Cameo. Now it does require a camera, and I'll turn on my camera, and now I'm appearing live in this presentation. Now I can move myself to whatever location I'd like, and on the Camera Format tab, I can change the shape of my Cameo. And if I want to appear on another slide, I'll have to copy this Cameo. So I'll do Command C, and then I just move to the slide I'd like to appear, and I'll paste myself Command V. And I'd repeat this on all the other slides I'd like to appear on. Then I can go to the slideshow, play the slideshow, and you can see I'm on the first slide and I'm on the second slide, but I'm not on the third slide. So hopefully this gives you some ideas on how you can use the Cameo feature in your presentations.